Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the Lightbox element in Webflow 2025. If you're looking to showcase images or videos in an interactive, modern way on your website, whether it's for your photography portfolio, an online store, or just a personal project, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to set up a Lightbox, but also how to customize its thumbnail and ensure your visitors get an amazing viewing experience. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Elements panel in your Webflow dashboard. This is your toolbox where you'll find all the building blocks for your site. In the search bar at the top, type in Lightbox. You'll see the Lightbox component pop up. Go ahead and click on that, then drag it onto your page wherever you want the Lightbox to appear. Don't worry too much about perfect placement right away. You can always move things around later. Now with the Lightbox element on your canvas, it's time to set it up. Click on the Lightbox and then look over to the Settings panel on the right. Here you'll see something labeled Lightbox Link Settings. This is where the magic happens because you get to choose the media you want to display when someone clicks your Lightbox. Simply click the plus button or designated spot to add either an image or a video. You could upload a product photo, a highlight reel, or even artwork, whatever best fits your project. When you add your media here, it actually serves double duty. Not only is this what your visitors will see when they open the Lightbox, but it also becomes the thumbnail, that little preview image on your page that people click to launch the Lightbox. However, there might be times where you want your thumbnail to look different from your main media. For example, you might want to use a stylized preview image or even a different shot entirely to grab attention. To do that, you'll need to adjust the thumbnail image. Just head over to Image Settings, which you'll find under the Lightbox controls. Here you have the option to swap out the automatic thumbnail for a custom image. Maybe you want a crisp, branded graphic as your thumbnail or something that encourages visitors to click. Choose the file you want and add it as your new thumbnail. Now, if you preview your site, just hit that preview button in Webflow. You'll notice that the Lightbox shows your specific thumbnail, and the main media itself stays hidden until someone actually clicks. This setup is perfect for decluttering your main page while still letting site visitors see full-sized photos or videos on demand. Think about it like a gallery wall. People see the frames, and when they're curious, they can step closer for all the details. It's a smooth, modern way to feature content without overwhelming your viewers. Don't worry if it takes a little bit to find the thumbnails or get your images just right. Webflow's workflow is all about experimenting and previewing until you're happy. And if your Lightbox isn't appearing as expected, double-check that your media is uploaded and linked correctly. It's a common hiccup, so you're definitely not alone. So that's the basics of setting up and customizing a Lightbox in Webflow 2025. As you can see, it's a simple yet powerful tool to make your website more interactive and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more advanced Lightbox tricks. And don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.